Good morning, students. This is your RJ sir. Today we are going to discuss top 10 most repeated Jee-Mains chemistry PYQ questions. From these questions, you will get 40 plus marks guarantee because these questions are mostly repeated in previous Jee-Mains exams. Okay, so we'll discuss one by one. Before going to that, whatever topics are there in chemistry, mostly repeated topic wise, first we'll go for here physical chemistry, then inorganic chemistry, then organic chemistry. Okay, step by step I will explain, and most repeated questions also will discuss. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. 70 to 80% probability is there. That is most probable questions these are. Okay, student. So see this. First one, first we'll see from chemical kinetics, first order reaction and their half-life. That is compulsory question. Okay, so many times this question will be asked in examinations. Okay, student. Next one, we'll see the next equation. That is non-standard EMF. Based on this also, so many times questions asked in this concept. Right. Next one is from this. See delta G minus NFE. It is related to first year thermodynamics, right? And also we'll discuss here in this EMF. Okay, so delta G gives free energy related to second year and first year topic. Okay, so from the electrochemistry, this question will be asked. But according to first year in thermodynamics also, we have some mixing in this. Clear? So both Nernst equation and delta G both are from the our electrochemistry. First one is chemical kinetics. You can see here most important asked one more question is hybridization. It's a common and easy question for us. Hybridization, they are asking in a second year concept, that is inorganic chemistry. Okay, and sometimes they are asking in a 18 group elements, xenon compounds, xenon oxides, hybridization, and sometimes they are asking hybridization uh, chemical bonding first year, that is shape of the molecule and Westphal theory, and same hybridization from the GOC general organic chemistry also compulsory one question based on the hybridization. So you have to practice hybridization, so then you will get the compulsory 4 marks. Okay, it related to chemical bonding first year and also related to second year organic chemistry and also related to inorganic chemistry. Don't forget this hybridization is compulsory question, right? You get 4 marks. Next one from the chemical bonding, one more is very important dipole moment. Dipole moment. So purely it is related to organic chemistry and also inorganic chemistry. It comes under here stereochemistry, dipole moment, stereoisomerism, cis trans isomerism, and chemical bonding also generally inorganic chemistry also they are going to ask you what is the dipole moment. Based on this dipole moment, there are so many comparisons. Okay, stability, reactivity, such type of concept will be asked. Sometimes they are asking calculate the dipole moment also. So dipole moment is very important. Clear? Next one is the most important repeated question, that is CFSC, crystal field stabilization energy. Okay, and here we need to calculate here CFSC values, and based on this question so many times asked, match the following time question. Okay, some complex compounds will be given, that complex compounds magnetic moment they are going to ask you how to calculate magnetic momentum of so and so complex compound. That magnetic momentum is related to which complex compound, and sometimes based on the CFEC values we need to find that that is octahedral and square planar, like such type of molecules they are giving, and we need to calculate here CFEC values, or sometimes they are asking magnetic value. Clear? Don't forget this. This is most important repeated question so many years. Clear? Next we'll see one more most important question is from organic chemistry sequence. Here SN1 and SN2 very important. SN1 means unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction, that is SN1. Okay, what is SN1? One means unimolecular molecular nucleophilic nucleophilic substitution reaction. Substitution reaction. Okay, students. So this is very important. This lesson is actually from alkyl halides of second year, right? So sometimes they are asking SN2 also. SN2. SN2 means same as it is bimolecular bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Clear? So based on this, so many times asked chemical properties of alkyl halides. So which is possible to form compound based on the SN1, which is the possible to form based on the SN2, and all these things they will ask you. Okay, so don't forget, this is very important concept. So SN1 and SN2 questions will be asked. Clear, student? So you have to practice alkyl halides from the second year topic, their chemical properties. Clear? So that is very important. Next one, stability of carbocation. Carbocation. This is also very important. So they are asking so many carbocations of alkyl halides and aromatic compounds. Such type of questions. They are asking you which carbocation is more stable, which carbocation is less stable. Like this, they will ask you. Okay, they will give you some numerical type of question. In that also they are asking you how many stable carbocations, how many less stable carbocations. Based on the aromaticity, they are asking some questions. Okay, sir? Don't forget this. Next one, from the organic chemistry, aldol condensation. Aldol condensation. Sometimes they are asking crossed aldol also. Crossed aldol or aldol. Crossed aldol and aldol both will be asked. Okay. And one more question is Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, these two are very important. You know that for aldol reaction we required alpha hydrogen, isn't it? For Cannizzaro reaction, not required alpha hydrogen. Therefore, aldol versus Cannizzaro, these two are very important. So many times asked this question. That is from the carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds. Clear? Next we'll see. Next we'll see here from physical chemistry, that is solutions, colligative properties. So from the colligative property, there are four colligative properties. You know that relative lowering of vapor pressure and elevation of boiling point, depression in freezing point, osmotic pressure. Okay, students. So from this, any one based on the molar mass is all are depend. Is it? So any property which is depend on the number of solid particles present in the solution, that property will be changed. That is called colligative property. So that here number of molecules or moles is very important in this solution. So there are four colligative properties. Based on the four colligative properties, they are asking some general concept or one problem. General concept or problem. We'll discuss next slide. Whatever properties are there, everything clear. Next one. We'll go for your next one. Very important. See all of you. Periodic trends. This is up to your top 10 completed. Up to your top 10 completed. Now we'll see remaining are periodic trends. The common question. This is related to not only periodic table. It is also related to first year group element, second year group element, third year group element, up to 4, 6. Isn't it? All elements periodic table. So all the first year syllabus and also second year syllabus. Totally we have here some trends are there. What are the trends here? Melting point, boiling point, electronegativity, electropositivity, right? So these are all properties, densities, all these properties. So all these properties compulsory one question. Compulsory one question. Therefore, you have to practice these all trends the systematically, group wise, and like a period wise, based on the masses, all these things. Okay. Don't forget this concept. Periodic properties or periodic trends are compulsory, right? That's it. Next one we'll go for here biomolecules. This is also compulsory question. This is a very toughest question from the given question paper. But toughest, but it is very easy to practice. Okay, so better you have to practice first vitamins, types of vitamins, sources, diseases, name of the vitamin. Sometimes they are having structure also. Better you have to concentrate. B12, C vitamin. So many times asked this one. Okay. Next one, glucose. That is carbohydrates, glucose, fructose, galactose, and also maltose, sucrose, the starch. Isn't it? This type of structure they are asking. What type of bonding are there in a glucose, sucrose? Isn't it in starch, maltose? They are asking glucoside bondings. Okay. Don't forget this one. Clear? I am giving just idea what we need to study to achieve the 40 plus marks. This is class. Clear? Next one. P block elements. So in P block elements, mostly we have here oxo acids. You can say oxy acids. From this year, uh, fifth group elements are what? Fifth group, sixth group, seventh group. We'll go for here fifth group, fifth A to seventh A, seventh A groups. Okay, seventh A groups. We have this concept is called oxo acids. Oxo acids. Clear, friends? What are oxo acids? For example, HNO2, HNO3. Okay, you can take this two. HNO2, HNO3. HNO2 is nitrous acid. HNO3 is nitric acid. So that lower oxides dissolve in water and produce as acids. Higher oxides dissolve in water and produce weak acids. Like this here, nitrous acid, nitric acid. Similarly, we have here uh, phosphorus, phosphorus acid, phosphoric acid, right? Like this in a seventh year group elements, so we have chlorous acid, chloric acid. Like this, these all are what oxo acids. So they based on this concept, they will ask you what is the hybridization, how many lone pairs of electrons are there, how many bond pairs are there, what is the oxidation state, what is the shape of the molecule. Such type of question will be asked in this concept. Don't forget, this is so many times asked in this question. Somewhat it is very important. Clear? Next one, hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding is present in our chemical bonding, but this is general concept for hydrogen bonding. It is also present in second year syllabus, first year syllabus. Second year syllabus we have a groups. Example, fifth A group nitrogen bonding form. Sixth group oxygen can form. Seventh group fluorine can form. Like this year, you know, first year also based on these three elements, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. So many examples are there. Intermolecular, intramolecular, their application there are. And in organic chemistry also, alcohols can form hydrogen bonding, right? Like this here, so many compounds which are related to hydrogen bonding. So that carboxylic acids can form here dimerization acid. So hydrogen bonding common concept. So we have to learn all these concept which is related to hydrogen bonding type of concepts. And based on the hydrogen bonding, they are asking stability, isn't it? Basicity, acidity, nature, all these things they are going to ask you related to hydrogen bonding and solubility, all these things. Clear? So all these things. Okay, that is about hydrogen. Next one, 15th one. 15th most important concept we are discussing now. So NCRT based, line based inorganic react questions. So compulsory NCRT means group wise, first group onwards. All what is the alkali, alkaline, earth metal onwards. You have trends, only physical properties are there. So that's point to point from NCRT textbooks you have to practice. That is very important because in Jee-Main's exam they are giving as it is whatever lines are there in our textbook in NCRT, same to same. Copy. They are copying as it is without making any disturbance in the line. They are giving as a question. So that don't forget to practice this very important 15 important concepts. Clear? All of you take a screenshot. Okay? Right. Now we'll go for here. Now we'll go for here. In division wise. In division wise, for example, in physical chemistry weightage. physical chemistry weightage will discuss. In physical chemistry, just now we seen some concept. So in this, what type of question they are going to ask you? First one you see, physical chemistry, mostly mole concept, very important. Compulsory one question based on the mole concept. Clear? Next, limiting reagent, compulsory related to this one. Limiting reagent, one question will be asked. Next one here, percentage purity, very, very important students. Percentage and purity. Okay, so they are giving you any oxygen percentage, nitrogen percentage, sulfur percentage. This is a qualitative and quantitative analysis. Okay, and empirical formula also very important. So many times asked this question. Clear? These are here our in means stoichiometry or chemistry, basic chemistry. Okay, these questions will be so many times asked. Okay, don't forget to see this four important concept. Next one, you can go for thermodynamics. Thermodynamics, yeah. In thermodynamics, based on this law, see this, Gibbs free, Gibbs free energy, that is delta G is equal to H minus TD, T delta S. So okay, where delta G gives free energy, delta H enthalpy, change in enthalpy, delta S entropy. These three variables are important. So based on this, one question will be asked, that is problem. Okay, they are asking mostly temperature. They are asking. What they are asking? Temperature. They are entropy and also enthalpy and delta G. They are going to ask you. Clear? So don't forget this one. So in this thermodynamics, not only this, they are asking concepts about spontaneity and S law, compulsory. One problem based on the S law. Okay, and also we need to concentrate these three topics in the thermodynamics. Okay, so don't forget to practice these questions. Right. Next one, very important one. Next one, chemical kinetics. So from the chemical kinetics, which areas are important for the Jee-Mains? Okay, sure. See, first order, just now we discussed. First order, this is compulsory question. One problem will be given. First order. In this, half-life also they are asking. First order question and half-life. First order integrated equation and integrated half-life equation we need to practice. If you know the first order equation, isn't it? That is k is equal to 2.303 by t and log a by a minus x. And if you know that equation, you will get the marks easy. Okay. So half life also very important. First order half life also important. Clear? So that is t half is equal to 0.690 by t or k, reversibility. So this is very important for us. Okay, sure. So don't forget up to here.
This is today's class, and thank you very much watching my video, and part 2 will be coming soon. Okay, thank you.